Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, my name's Kristin and I love to have you part of the family, so make sure you hit that red subscribe button right down below. Today's video is going to be a very exciting video for you because it's going to be how to enter into my giveaway. But before then, I'm going to kind of update you on my life, so it's going to be also a life update kind of thing. So yeah, if you guys want to know how to enter my giveaway and a little bit more about me, then just keep on watching. So if you guys don't already know, my name's Kristin and I have a YouTube channel, and this is it, and you here, and you made it. This is a kind of life update video. So right now, where I'm at and everything like that, and a little bit about my channel, and then we'll move on to the giveaway. So to update you guys on my life right now, I am 25 years old. I have 2 little girls and a husband, and I am trying out this YouTube thing. I really like YouTube because I'm able to be really creative and kind of get like all my creativity out there for like somebody to see, and I love helping people through that as well. I've always been pretty creative as a person. I've always liked art, so I'm pretty goofy as a person. I hope that comes through on camera as well. I never take like anything serious, and I'm always joking around. So yeah, I'm pretty easygoing, and yeah, this is my OkCupid interview. So that's a little bit about me. If you watch any of my other videos, I do like mommy and me videos, a lot of makeup videos, hauls, first impressions. I'm like shopping all the time. Pretty much anything that I'm interested in, I will put out on my channel, no matter what it is. If I'm interested in it, I'm going to put it out. So it's going to just be all about me. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. That's a little bit about me and my channel. I do upload twice a week at least, so I upload on Wednesdays and Sundays, and I will try to get out videos on Fridays as like bonus videos if I can. I do plan on uploading at least 3 to 4 times a week here on my channel as I'm getting better and like progressing and everything like that. This giveaway is because I hit 1,000 subscribers here on my YouTube channel. I actually hit it in January at some time. I'll put like the date. I hit it right over here somewhere, but I hit it in January. It's a very big milestone for me because I did work really hard. I have like done YouTube and then taken a break from it and done it, but then this time around I'm like super into it, super dedicated, and I'm just really happy about it that I can pretty much put a lot of time into this. Since I am a stay-at-home mom, I'm able to put a lot of time into YouTube and being creative and also be a mom, so I'm really happy about that. I hit 1,000 subscribers, so I thought what better way to give back to you guys and let you guys know that I'm so happy for all the support you give me, every comment, like on my videos, all of that, DMs that I get, you know, stuff like that. I'm just so grateful for every single one of you, and thank you for following me on this journey. I had like one lady that I met at Bath & Body Works here recently say she's been watching me for like years now, like 3 years, and she watches my sister too. So like it's really cool to see that, you know, people that I don't even know or like don't really recognize here like in person watch my videos and like actually know that I'm out here trying to do YouTube. So yeah, it's really fun. And I'm like super grateful for every single one of you guys. So yeah, so let's go ahead and get into how to enter my giveaway. It's going to be 2 simple steps. So one of them being to subscribe to my YouTube channel. So if you're already subscribed, you're already halfway there. So make sure you hit that red subscribe button to enter into my giveaway. Second is going to be to go head over to my Instagram and follow me on my Instagram. And then third, just to make sure your votes are counted, go ahead and leave a comment on this video letting me know that you followed me on both platforms, and leave your Instagram handle. That's how I'm going to get a hold of you if you do win, as Instagram via DM. So make sure your account is reachable. I'm not sure if it's on private or anything like that. I can send you a message, so just make sure you're checking your messages if I do message you. If you do win, you know what I'm saying. So the winner will be announced on February 14th, so Valentine's Day. I thought it was a pretty good timing because I finally got back to feeling better after me giving birth on the 18th and everything like that. So if you guys didn't know, I did just have a baby. Her name's Odette, and she was born on January 18th, which is actually my birthday as well. So I was really happy about that because we get to share a birthday. But if you haven't watched like any of my baby series or anything like that, go ahead and watch him, watch some of my videos, get to know me. All the rules and everything will be listed down below in the down bar. To get an extra entry into my giveaway, so you could possibly get 2 entries into my giveaway to up your chances, all you have to do is subscribe to my sister's YouTube channel and also follow her on Instagram, and let me know that you've done both in the comment section down below. So make sure you hit that comment section, because if you don't, then I'm sadly not going to be able to know if you entered into my giveaway or anything like that. So if you entered into my sister's, or if you follow my sister on both platforms and me on both platforms, let me know, leave your handle down below, and I will contact you via Instagram direct message. If you guys do have any questions, definitely message me on Instagram. Hopefully that wasn't too confusing. Again, everything will be listed down below as far as how to enter, rules, links, all that stuff. So it's going to be very, very easy for you guys to enter. So make sure you go enter right down below. Yeah, I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Good luck, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. I can't
1, 2, 3, go. And may the odds be ever in your motherfucking favor.
You're disgusting. Okay, kill us already.
Hey, yo.